Welcome to Module 2, Smart Schedule Creation. Today we're moving beyond daily planning to strategic weekly planning and prompting techniques that'll transform how you manage competing priorities. Here's why weekly planning matters so much. Daily planning is reactive. You're just responding to what's in front of you. But weekly planning is strategic. You see the bigger picture. Balance urgent versus important tasks, spot potential conflicts early, and more effectively blocked time for deep work. So every Sunday, or whatever day works best for you, do a weekly brain dump. List everything that's due this week, noting that you have recurring commitments, add any ongoing projects that need progress, and don't forget your personal priorities and goals. They matter too. Here's a weekly planning prompt. Here are my tasks for this week. You can list them or attach a photograph. My recurring commitments are: list out your meetings and deadlines. My energy is highest on: tell it your best days and times. Please suggest which days to tackle each task and explain your reasoning. Now, when everything feels urgent, and we've all been there, try this prompt. I have these competing priorities this week. List them. Help me categorize them using must do this week, should do this week, and could do this week. Then suggest which to tackle first and why. Have a conversation with the AI if you don't feel it understands your nuances. You could also get AI to help you sort your tasks using the famous Eisenhower Matrix. Please categorize these tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix. List out your tasks. Then tell me which tasks and quadrants to focus on first and why. This can help you separate urgent from important. And again, you can have a supportive conversation with your preferred AI assistant to learn new tips and tricks for managing that. And this is where it starts to get really smart, where you can match tasks to your natural energy rhythms over time. Start by telling it, I'm most creative in the morning, have steady energy in the afternoon, and lower energy after 4 o'clock. Given these tasks, list them. When should I schedule each one for maximum effectiveness? Let me show you an example. I put in report due Friday, 3 client meetings, team presentation to prepare, monthly budget review, catch up on industry reading, and plan next quarter. And here's what AI suggested. Monday, budget review when my analytical mind is fresh. Tuesday, client meetings when I have high energy for relationship focus. Wednesday, report writing, deep work with midweek focus. Thursday, presentation prep, building on the report work. Friday, presentation delivery and industry reading, lighter tasks. See how helpful this can be. Of course, things will go wrong. Plan for the unexpected with this prompt. This is my ideal week. Paste your schedule. If urgent tasks come up, which items could be moved to next week with minimal impact? This gives you flexibility and helps you think of contingencies in advance. So here's your new weekly planning ritual. On a Sunday evening, brain dump the week. You can input that into AI with your energy preferences. Review and adjust the suggestions. You're still in charge. Block time in your calendar and build in up to 20% buffer time for disruptions. Right, practice time. Try this now for next week. Here's what I need to accomplish next week. Paste in your actual list. I work best. Give it your energy patterns. I have. Give it your number of hours available. And then say, please create a strategic weekly plan. And see if that works for you. In Module 3, we're tackling email and communication strategy. I'll show you some AI-powered email ideas, template creation and management, and communication strategies that save you time. Give that weekly planning prompt a try, and I'll see you in the next module.